In this video, in details as usual, I'm going to show you how to replace the front headlight on your favorite Nissan Titan. Yes, it's pretty easy. Let's get started. Here's a replacement part, used good as new from the local junkyard. This one needs to be replaced. It has a crack on the back and it's pretty faded. We're going to put a better one to have a brighter light. Yeah, and first we have to remove the grill. Alright, here's the retaining clips. Use the flat large screwdriver and throw them counterclockwise and push them inside the square slots. As you can see what I'm doing. Here we go. That's one. Undo the clip from the headlight to the grill. Press those tabs in. Alright. And some clips are on the bottom between the bumper and the grill. I'll reach in with my long screwdriver. I'll show you in a second view from inside. We don't have to remove it completely actually. We just have to get enough room to get to the headlight bulbs. Guys, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe. Very appreciated that. As you can see, there's the same type of clips as we just removed on the top. Alright, and as I said, we just need to pry the front side part to get access to those back bolts. Yes. Alright, as you can see, now we have tons of room. We can get those bolts. Yeah, that little tub was latched with a headlight bracket hole, and the one screw we have on the side, one at the top and one behind the fender. Let's disconnect the electrical connector. There's a locking tub. Press it in like that and pull the connector itself out. Be careful with the wire and unplug that connector. Okay, 8mm socket or wrench. Let's remove the bottom screw holding the headlight. Guys, if this video is helpful, interesting to watch, informational, educational, put a thumbs up. Appreciated that. Okay, first bolt is removed. Yeah, this video is only for demonstration, what works for me, how I do it. Okay, one bolt at the top. Same way as we removed just the front one. Nissan Titan is a great truck, built in US, and honestly, this truck serves me very, very well. Yeah, reliable beast. Very nice truck. And this tutorial will be applied up to 2015 year model. First trucks were built back in 2004. Okay. My steering wheel all the way to the right because we're replacing the right headlight. Let's undo that wheel well liner to get access to the bolts. There's a plastic clip holding the wheel well liner to the fender. Let's remove that guy. You just pry the out. You just pull the center and pry it out and it will come out. I remember from school when teacher asked what truck is the best, answer was simply surprising: which one runs? That's so true. Yes, and this truck runs, works, get things done. Yeah, it's a farm beater. Okay, prime wheel well liner away to get access to the bottom screw, and that bracket is cracked on this headlight. But yeah, as you can see, there's bolt, and we have to remove that one. Yeah. It looks pretty dirty on the bottom underneath, but doesn't affect anything yet. As you can see, the big crack, and that part of the headlight inner bracket still attached to the fender. Okay, let's undo that bracket anyway. Yeah, it's a Rough Rider. This truck likes to go off-road a little bit. Okay, bracket is removed. As you can see, it's broken. It's no longer attached to the headlight, and replacement headlight came in one piece. Now we can remove the headlight completely. 3 screws are removed. Electrical connector is unplugged and pull it out. Very nice design, pretty straightforward. I would say, yeah, easy as it can be. Okay, here's the headlight removed completely. Yeah. All right, now time to start assembly. Yeah, as you can see where it sits, and we have a bottom trim panel, and yeah, there's a grill. If you need to remove the grill, I have a video how to remove the grill on Nissan Tante. I'll put a video down in the description below. Okay, let's transfer this beauty panel to a new headlight. We'll need it. It's painted in the color of the truck, and the wiring harness, yeah, as you can see, it's all broken, it's cracked. Yeah, it's the way it is. We're not going to fix it, just got a good headlight. Yeah, the way we make it work. This one actually works, it works quite well, but who knows how long it will last until moisture will do its job. And I will have still replacement parts, those connectors, slide bulbs, and the wiring harness if I need. Yeah, we'll keep this old one for parts. As you can see, all is here, and sometimes it takes a while to find the proper part. And this beauty is going on a truck. Yeah, we're going to just put it back in a minute. Let's compare to the old one. Yeah, as you can see, everything's the same, and it came with its own wiring harness. Let's measure the adjustment height for the headlights and make sure we'll set our screw to the same height to avoid height issue when you're driving. You don't want to blind the incoming traffic drivers with your low beam lights, and that measurement where you have to set up. Okay, I'm going to put a replacement headlight back in the same place, and installation is in reverse to removal. Straightforward. I will speed up the process. Yeah, guys, if you have any questions, comments, critiques, suggestions, recommendations, yeah, put everything down in the comment section below under the video. I will try my best to reply. Okay, let's see if it's working. Yes, we have markers. Yep, they're working. Let's check our blinkers, turn signals. Yes, it's working too. Our low beam, yes, we have that one working, and a high beam. Beautiful, we're all set. All lights are working, as you can see, and same on the driver's left side. Okay, I'm going to put the bolts back, put a grill back, to pull those tabs from the bracket and install them in a grill like that, and they will push those clips into those holes and they will get locked, as you can see. Right? I'm pulling them out and placing them in a grill. Just slide them in, and those two teeth will grab it, align the holes and press it in. It will go back in its original position. A little flimsy, all plastic, and this is 2004 year model. Yeah, they're all the same up to 2015. Yeah, 11 years of production, and yeah, nothing's too fancy, too complicated about this truck. As you can see, this is our height on a new headlight. Make sure it's set to the same measurement as we had on an old headlight assembly. Yeah, if you need it, adjust it accordingly. That way you will have exact height checked. If you need it, yes, there we go. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video. Appreciated that. Take care, everybody, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.